guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you can do here to probably fix this issue. So the first thing that you can do here is to basically restart or reset your PC. Now sometimes restarting your PC can solve this issue because some of the files might not have initialized properly. That's why you're having this issue. So again, just restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. So another thing you could do here, just in case that does not work, is to basically make sure the game service or the gamepad service here is actually running. So at the bottom left of your screen, you want to go to type here to search, just type in services, open this up, and from here you want to select one of the items here and just press G on your keyboard. Now, from here, you want to go to Game Input Service. You want to right click on it and you want to go ahead and click on the Start option here to start the Game Input Service. So this might take a while to start, so go ahead and just run this. And once it's actually run, you can go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, additional thing that you do here is you want to right click on it as well. You want to go to its properties, and instead of manual here, you can go ahead and basically click on the automatic option here. Click on apply and OK, so that it actually makes sure that it actually runs every time you are going to play. Now in this case, that's about it. So if none of those actually work, it means the problem itself might be the actual game. So since it's fairly new here, you might want to wait for some updates to be applied first, and hopefully that solves the issue. But in this case, that's it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.